Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Nicaragua tax residency, a topic of great interest for expatriates and retirees contemplating a move to this stunning Central American country. Nicaragua, celebrated for its picturesque beaches, rich colonial architecture, and affordability, is increasingly becoming a haven for digital nomads and those seeking a different lifestyle. Understanding what tax residency means here is essential, as it shapes your financial obligations and can affect your tax situation in your home country. This video aims to explore all the intricate details of obtaining and maintaining tax residency in Nicaragua and the potential benefits that come with it. First, let's discuss what defines tax residency in Nicaragua. Like many nations, Nicaragua has specific criteria to establish who qualifies as a tax resident. Importantly, you'll need to know about the physical presence test, which is pivotal for your eligibility. Remarkably, Nicaragua sets this threshold at 180 days, slightly less stringent than the common 183-day rule found in other countries. Meeting this criterion is essential, as it affects how you will be taxed on your income, both sourced locally and internationally, setting the stage for your financial planning in this beautiful country. Now, let's dive into the benefits of becoming a tax resident in Nicaragua. A major advantage is its territorial tax system, meaning that as a resident, you are typically taxed only on income earned within Nicaragua, not on your global income. This can lead to significant tax savings, especially for retirees and digital nomads earning from outside sources. Another perk is the Pensionado program, which offers enticing benefits such as tax exemptions on imported household goods for those who qualify. Thus, establishing tax residency can not only simplify your tax obligations, but also enhance your overall financial situation while enjoying life in Nicaragua. Understanding the process of becoming a tax resident is crucial. It involves several important steps, starting with securing the right visa that suits your circumstances. Once you have obtained residency status, tracking your days in Nicaragua is vital to maintain your residency under the 180-day rule. This requires diligent record-keeping of your arrivals and departures, and utilizing digital tools can aid in this task, helping ensure compliance without any unintended tax implications from other countries. Mistakes in this aspect can lead to complications in your tax obligations, making meticulous planning essential. Lastly, we'll cover some practical tips for new residents, which include understanding the banking system and healthcare options in Nicaragua. It's important to note that opening a bank account might require proof of residency, while public healthcare services are available at low costs. However, for more extensive care, many expats choose private health insurance to ensure they have access to high-quality services. Additionally, preparing for potential challenges like language barriers and bureaucratic delays will smooth your transition. Working with local experts can provide the guidance needed to navigate these complexities effectively and help you focus on enjoying all that Nicaragua has to offer.